This right here is the FabFitFun Winter box. It was from months ago. I'm just opening it up. I want to share everything that I got because I'm really excited about all of the items I picked up. This was supposed to be my introduction to FabFitFun. I'm a little late getting into it. So if that sounds like your kind of video and you want to stick around and see all of that, then stick around and let's get into it.
In too deep. I hope you're not missing these signs, 'cause I wanna keep you close to me.
Hi, I'm Jeanique and I love nice things, and these subscription services promise to deliver just that based on the fact that you can get beautiful items, luxury items at a discount. FabFitFun is no exception. They have home goods, clothing, jewelry, fragrances, all the things, and I've been exploring. Now this box is from winter 2024/January and I'm just finally getting into it almost a year later, don't judge me. But I want to share what I got with you. Unbox with me if that's your kind of thing. Let's get into the video. There are so many things in here and the boxes are pretty and decorated and I'm so excited. Okay, y'all. The most important thing in this box, the most dramatically important thing in this box, you know what it is? It is a fragrance. It is a fragrance. This is the Fenty perfume that everybody says smell bad. No, not everybody says that. Some people say that. It is supposed to be a rose fragrance, right? Now I don't know if it's made it into a expedition video. That's like a series I do where I test things. I got a sample of a dupe of this fragrance, which is called December Rose from the brand Paris Corner. I tested that fragrance. I don't know if I talked about it in a video. I don't think I did. And it was alright. I'm hoping a little bit nicer. Rose is usually good for me, but there are some roses, looking at you, Kaylee Lexer 11, and that's the name, that don't rock with me all that well. And I'm hoping this is not that. I'm gonna be delusional and hopeful. The bottle is pretty. Look at the bottle, y'all. Look at that. That is luxe and pretty. Look at the top. I'm into that so hard, it is like a little bit disgusting. It's a little disgusting how much I like this. I'm gonna put it on my body because I am wearing fragrance, but like not that much, still a little bit. It's better than Kaylee Elixir. You know what is giving? It has this sort of minty quality about it. So it is like a moderate rose. It's not as mature as I thought it was going to be. The dupe is not as good. The Paris Corner December Rose not as good. This is fresher and prettier than I thought it would, with a little bit of an edge and a little bit of a cleaner smell. This is nice. Go me. I picked good, y'all. This was a like a luxe item where I had to pay like a little bit extra to get it. But when I did the math in terms of like the credit I would get back and all of that, it made sense to get it from FabFitFun rather than from Sephora. If I had to buy Sephora prices or actually buy it at a Sephora price, it would never have happened because I didn't like it or want it enough to pay full price. But if I can get it on the cheap, like for an extra $20, $30, then I'm gonna get it. Absolutely. Let's see what else I got, y'all. Okay, I remember this because every time I thought about opening up this box, I would remember that I don't have a big black bag to use and I need one, and I have needed one all year, and I was just too lazy to open this box and get it. So this is a black canvas tote bag. It is lovely. It has zippers. It is roomy. There isn't a ton of like sections and things to like put cards and whatever, but this is a good like travel bag. This is a good running out, you go to the grocery store, you can pick up a few items. You don't want to bring those other like totes and things. I think this canvas tote is really nice. I like it in black. This is a good run out the house and you're gonna pick up things along the way type of bag. I'm into this and I'm very happy that I grabbed it. Some kind of measuring cup set. I vaguely remember getting this, but did I need a measuring cup set? I got 2 sets of measuring cups. But is this a fancier, better version? That is the question. It appears so. Just off rip, just off looking. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Let's open up. Let's get the biggest one. This feels real extra. This is 1 cup. But why is it so pretty? It feels like the kind of one cup you could eat out of. Like, oh, I want a cup or a bowl of grapes. Just put it in this and eat out this. Like, this isn't like the measuring cup for measuring to cook your food. This is like the measuring cup to eat out of. And I'm not mad at it. So there are 4 cups, quarter cup, a third of a cup, half cup, and 1 cup. So I'm gonna get used out of this. I don't know if this quarter cup gonna get used like that, but I'm gonna try because it's nice. So this item right here appears to be a honey pot and dipper. Yeah. So I do have honey in the whole, the raw honey kind. I don't know if it tastes better, but I've convinced myself it does. And this allows me to do a fancier, classier version of just taking it directly from the tub. Do not judge me. Let's open this up and see if the quality looks as good as it did on the website. Oh, it feels like real ceramic, which is very nice. Here is the cute little honey pot, y'all. Look how nice that looks. Check that out. Check that out. That is so cute. I'm into that. There's also a little dipper. Cute little dipper. Hold up, wait. Have you subscribed yet? I wanted to go ahead and remind you because I knew you wanted to do it. Go ahead, do the things. I would really appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. So this one right here is in the category of home goods. Very happy with the feel, the look. It is exactly what I was looking for. Not disappointed in the slightest. I'm gonna put this to use in my little mini coffee area. This is gonna come in handy, y'all. So handy. I was very reasonable with my purchasing. Very, very reasonable. So this next item is from Ole Henriksen, and it is a lip treatment. So some sort of lip balm. I do not need any more lip products. I'm saying that out loud to everybody. But I got this one. It's probably color. It probably has some color. It's a balm in like a rose color. It is exactly my color. Did I need another balm in this color? No. Have I subsequently gone on to buy balms in this color? Yeah, because I forgot I got this one. Don't judge me. We have hyaluronic centella extract. What it is a moisturizer with intensive restoring, detoxifying moisturization. I've never heard of this, but I like the words restoring and detoxifying. So I'm very excited about this little mini moisturizer. So I don't remember what this is. So let's open it up. It says it's from the brand Socialite. Oh, it's a puffer. Why did I get a puffer vest, y'all? Why did I get a puffer vest? That sort of makes no sense because I already have one with sleeves though. Puffer vest with sleeves. This is in small medium. This feels delusional to have purchased because why would I buy a small medium anything? That feels wrong to me. So did I buy this size or was it sent to me in error? I'm going to have to check my purchase history to see if I actually ordered a small medium because girl, don't be delusional out here. Definitely not a small medium, but hold on. You know what? It don't quite fit, but kind of. Let me sit back. Right? Like it can't wear over things. It has pockets, so I'm into that. And if I had to zip it, could it zip? Dum dum dum. Let's try it out because I don't know why I bought a small medium. Hold on. Am I a small medium, y'all? I'm not. This is not supposed to be tight fitting. But you know what? It zipped. It zipped. A win is a win. A win? A win is a motherfucking win. I'll take it. So, I don't know if I'm going to actually wear this zipped up, but I'm going to wear it. Because it's black. It is puffer. I really should have gotten a large, extra large, but I will take it. Ooh, ooh. Clothing. Clothing. Back to the box. I threw it on the floor very excitedly. I didn't go crazy with this box. I clearly exercised all kinds of self-control. Go me. But these are the items that I picked up and I'm loving all of them. So when I signed up for my like 1-year subscription, which I think is like some sort of premium subscription, you also got like a second bonus box as a thank you. So I'm going to open that one up next. I have no idea what's in there because they didn't tell me. They haven't shown me. I have no idea. So let's see what they gave me on the free / they gave me as part of my purchase, because that means it's not actually free, but built into the cost. I do not have a scissors here. I'm gonna struggle opening this. Don't break your nail. There we go. Oh, my address wasn't on screen. Let's cut that out if I need to. Okay, let's see what they got me. Okay, so the first item is sponge cloths, fresh herb sponge cloths. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these. If it's to clean things, it's to help with. I'm going to look this up. Sponge cloth. Nice. They have different motifs on them. So we have one with mint, one with dill, and one with basil. So very cutesy. I'm into that. Next item is Nip and Fab Hydrate. It's a hyaluronic, some sort of hyaluronic serum of some kind. Can't have too much hyaluronic serums in your life, allegedly. Okay, this is the same bag I just got? It is the same exact bag I literally just got. It is. It's the exact same bag. In the exact same size. I have two of the same bag. I need to give this to somebody, because what am I doing with two? I do not need two. Next is from Bondi Boost. This is the Rapid Repair Serum. So Bondi Boost does hair things. A smoothing and brightening under eye cream from the brand is Pericone MD. Eye cream. A lot of skincare in this box, and by a lot I mean 2 pieces of skincare, under eye cream, as well as a serum. Finally, ooh, it's a cookbook holder. I don't have any cookbooks, or obviously by extension, any cookbook holders. Now I'm going to need to go get a cookbook for my house so I can feature this cookbook holder next to my stove to seem like a fancy girl, a homemaker of it all. I don't know who has cookbooks. I don't have any. So how does this is this it? I don't know how to put this together. I'm going to have to Google it. But once I do, I'm gonna use it. So there's nothing else in here. I do love that you got this like sort of kind of free item with purchase, because I would have done the purchase anyway, even without the free item. So I'm happy there was something, a little bit of a bonus thrown in, because it meant that I got some extra shit. So that was everything I picked up from FabFitFun. All of these really great items. I think the perfume from Fenty Beauty is one of my favorite gets, along with this honey jar and these measuring cups. I think all of these speak to some of my favorite things out there. I do love me some makeup. I do love me some skincare, but what will ever trump fragrances for me? Nothing. I'll do a longer review of this Fenty fragrance for a haul video to come, to let you know if it met all of my expectations and then some, what the performance was like, all of the things. I will come to you and talk to you about that. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. I hope you went ahead and subscribed and you did not forget, because why would you do that? And I'll see you in the next one. Again, I am Jeanique, a lover of all things beautiful, luxurious, and unnecessary, and these FabFitFun boxes qualify, and I will bring you the tea about them every single time. Let's look forward to the fall box, y'all, because I put in my order, picked my customizations, and they're on their way. I cannot wait. See you in the next one, y'all.
I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. Let's go.